Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Recently I traveled to Goa and I have carried a bunch of things. So I'm just gonna show you the essentials that I carried, and these are like really essentials. Very less products are there in these bags that have not been used even once. So I'll be quickly mentioning which I have used and which I have not used, which are like must-haves while traveling. This is like a small bag. I was gifted this by mother's purse, by the way. I carry toiletries in this. Okay, so first up we have got these baby wipes or wet wipes. Very essential. Okay, sometimes you can't wash your hand and you're feeling that chip if you have eaten anything, then you can just wipe your hand and this will be very good. Shower gel and body lotion by Zudio, I carry them. Okay, and these are very travel friendly since the packaging is very good. Face wash, this is the most underrated face wash. The brand is the most underrated. Okay, it's called underrated, I'm so sorry. Okay, why I chose this face wash over all the face washes that I have is that because it has an open and close knob, so very travel friendly. Again, carry things which are travel friendly, carry things which are about to get over, so that you don't have to carry it back. If need be, you can just dispose it off there and then. Shampoo, I usually carry this talcum powder. This is scented talcum powder, which is very good. I went to Goa, so it was very hot, and if you're someone who sweats a lot or who smells a lot, you can use these kind of powder. Shampoo, and I have one more, shampoo and conditioner, because I think this shampoo was about to get over, so I was scared, so I carried another shampoo. And again, underarm roll-on. Then I have this disinfectant. Wherever you're going, just and it's all clean. Zandu balm if you get headaches. Scrunchie, again if you need. Toothbrush, I always use these. You get your underwears in these kind of poly bags. These are very good to store your toothbrush or anything that gets wet. Sanitary pad, you don't know when you might need more sanitary pad. And this is pea shoot. Okay, this is like this. I carry just individuals. Box is really bulky to carry. These are very good if you are like, if you really want to pee and they're not stopping anytime soon, so you just gotta cover yourself, and you can pee it there. And it's really good because it's leak proof, and I use this quite a lot, like both while going and while coming back I used it, and I'm really satisfied. I can't hold it for a very long time. In this bag, this was I think bathing, bath and body and toiletries. I can humongous tote bag in which I carried a few more things. So this is a Zudio Dio, very good, I must. Then we have sunscreen. I carried this VLCC sunscreen since it was really hot and humid. I thought this would be the perfect one, and this was the perfect one. So that I really love this, and I think it's almost over now. I also carried this foot cream by Parasoft. I really like this product. I did not get the time to use this. Now this is a box of actually hair mask, but what it stores is my moisturizer. This is the CeraVe moisturizer. Okay, CeraVe moisturizers usually come in a very huge tub, so I transferred like a little bit in this, and that's how I like to use it. Like I cleaned the whole thing, and yeah, here we have. This is the Mars lip liner. It was good. I used it just once. Fit me powder because I needed to stay matte all day, and if I apply a little bit of cream, it gives a little bit of shine. Okay, and which converts into really oily face. So I wanted to if I use this just once, my face does not turn really matte, really oily. I mean, tiny shower gel, which I thought I'd use it as hand wash while traveling, but I totally forgot about it. And this is what I took. This is the Plum Body Lovin' vanilla vibes deodorant body mist. I used this a lot. So this was this compartment. There is a smaller compartment which I can't show. Let me just take out the products one by one. Let me show you. This is the Zudio perfume Jive in a travel size. I think I will always go for this whenever I'm traveling. It's so good. Yeah, so this is my second bottle for this vacation. It's already like I have finished half of it. So this is the Plum Body Lovin' oil. Vanilla Vibes oil. I used to pair this with a body mist. This is the Zudio lip balm, again for travel purposes. These are two oils that I got from my previous vacation. These smell really, really good. So I just go ahead and do this, okay, like this, and they actually intensify as in when you sweat, so it is actually really, really good. And it's a musky flavor, one is like a chocolatey flavor. And I just carried, again like last time, I just carried one lipstick which I used a lot, which is this Masaba Believe in You. I can't get over the fact how good it looks on my skin, both with makeup and without makeup. So I don't know, I'm clearly obsessed with this lipstick. And the formula is also very, very good. It used to stay on for the whole day until and unless I eat something very oily, then it would just go. Then I carried two brushes, okay. This is like for all the powder and blush, and this one for eyeshadow. However, I did not use this at all. I used just this one. And then I carried this blush which I used quite a lot. This is the Zudio blush. It's a very, very beautiful formula, by the way. You know, I'm just gonna talk about all the Zudio products very soon in a long form video. I carried an eyeshadow also from the Zudio, but I never used it. Then we have this Lakme eyeliner which I used. Okay, this I really like, and since it was summer, I could go all vibrant. I chose this color. This is something I bought from there. This is like a very nice oil, okay. During headache you can use it. Very, 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 very good. Okay, I think one compartment is over. This is a bandana. Carry my earphones in this bag. It's like my sister actually stitched this bag. It's a very cute bag, and she stitched it out of her old kurta, okay. And these are my earphones. It is because of this bag that my earphones look so white. I need this, my specs. Yeah, I'm not blind, but they hurt, like my eyes hurt. In addition to this, with all the other products, I also carried all my chargers in this. This is like a number 2 pouch, because I have got lip balm number 2. I forgot that I had carried these and where I had kept. I kept on searching, but I never found, and I had to use that one. These are the ones that I really like. I wanted to use these, but I ended up using those the whole time. And wet wipes number 2. So yeah, this was like more like a number 2 bag, like I said. Floss. Then I have this sleeping mask. I really like this. Then Vicks. I really like it. If I get a headache, I want this. And that's all. This is a beautiful bag from Lavi, and yeah, it's a really spacious one. I didn't even use 50% of the space. So yeah, this was what I carried for the vacation, or what's in my bag kind of a video. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll be happy to do more such videos if I get to travel, guys.